Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Clark's Cleaning Care Tips. We all love that feeling of putting on fresh, clean clothes, right? There's nothing quite like the scent and feel of laundry that's just been washed. It's like a little piece of heaven in your daily routine. Our washers and dryers work hard to make that happen. Day in and day out, they handle our dirty laundry, transforming it into clean, wearable clothes. Just like any hard worker, they need a little TLC every now and then. Regular maintenance can keep them running smoothly and efficiently. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bake a cake in a dirty oven, would you? The same principle applies to your laundry appliances. Keeping them clean ensures they perform at their best. Keeping your washer and dryer clean helps them last longer and work better. A clean machine is not only more efficient, but also more reliable. Plus, it can even save you money on energy bills. When your appliances are well maintained, they use less energy, which means lower utility costs for you. So take a little time to care for your machines, and they'll take care of you. Over time, dirt, grime, and even mold can build up in your washing machine. Yuck! This can make your clothes smell musty and might even transfer bacteria. Your dryer isn't off the hook either. Lint and dryer sheets can clog up the vent, making your dryer work harder than it needs to. This can be a fire hazard, so it's important to stay on top of it. Ready to give your washing machine some love? It's time to spruce it up and ensure it runs efficiently for years to come. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can keep your washing machine in top shape. First, run an empty cycle with vinegar. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar into the detergent dispenser and run a hot water cycle. The vinegar acts as a natural cleaner, breaking down any detergent residue and mineral deposits. This helps remove buildup and odors. The hot water combined with vinegar will sanitize the machine, leaving it fresh and clean. Next, wipe down the inside. After the cycle, use a damp cloth to wipe down the inside of the drum, the door seal, and the detergent dispenser. Pay special attention to the door seal, as it can trap moisture and debris. Finally, leave the door ajar. Prop the door open slightly after each use to let it air out and prevent mildew. This simple step can make a big difference in keeping your machine mold-free. See? Easy peasy. With these tips, your washing machine will stay in great condition, ensuring your clothes come out clean and fresh every time. Now let's move on to the dryer. Your dryer works hard to keep your clothes fresh and dry, so it's important to give it some regular TLC. A little maintenance goes a long way. Not only does it help your dryer run more efficiently, but it also extends its lifespan. First, clean the lint trap. This is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain your dryer. After every load, remove the lint trap and clean out the lint. This prevents lint buildup, which can be a fire hazard, and reduce your dryer's efficiency. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. You'll notice your dryer working better and your clothes drying faster. Next, deep clean the trap. This ensures that any residue or fabric softener buildup is removed. Once a month, wash the lint trap with warm, soapy water. This will help maintain its effectiveness in catching lint. This will help it catch lint more effectively. A clean lint trap means better airflow and a more efficient dryer. Also, check the dryer vent. This is crucial for preventing lint buildup that can lead to overheating and potential fires. At least once a year, disconnect the dryer vent and vacuum out any lint buildup. This keeps the airflow strong and your dryer running smoothly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your dryer will be in top shape. A clean and happy laundry room makes laundry day a breeze. Happy drying. Remember, a little bit of care goes a long way. By following these simple steps, you can keep your washer and dryer running smoothly for years to come. Happy laundering. Go ahead. Like, subscribe and share with a friend. They will love you for it. See you soon.